Hello video creator. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo intro video using the features of CreateStudio's Media tab. First, create a new project. Click on the Media tab located on the left side of the screen. In the Media tab, click on the Pixabay button. In the search bar at the top, type Intro and press Enter. You'll see a variety of intro-related videos. Browse through the results and select the ones that best fit your vision for the logo intro. Once you have found your intro video, click on Download and drag it into your canvas. Now, edit the intro video to suit your needs. I will delete the end scene. Next, let's add our logo to the canvas. Click on the Import button in the Media tab, select your logo file, and drag it onto the canvas. Alternatively, you can use your global assets if your logo is already uploaded there. Now, let's resize the logo to fit perfectly in the intro video. You can do this by clicking on the logo and dragging the corners to adjust its size. Additionally, use features like opacity and blending options to seamlessly integrate the logo into your video. Now, to give some transition effects to your logo along with the intro video, find the right spot, cut it, and add a transition effect. Next, let's add a camera zoom effect to get a closer look at the logo. Click on the Components tab and choose Camera. Drag the camera into your canvas. Right-click on your timeline at the spot where you want to zoom in and click on Add Animation. Then, resize the camera bar to your desired length. Position the line after the camera animation bar and resize the camera effect by dragging the corners. And now, as the final step, choose your audio effects and drag them into your timeline at the right time frame. Once you're done, publish your video. As my final step, I'll change the color of the logo to match the intro video theme by using the blend mode feature set to difference.